To calculate the return from the data of a stock collected from Yahoo Finance directly into R, we can use a very short amount of code. So let's do that. So you can see that the previous codes are here, the description of which you will find in previous videos. Anyway, so let me keep the note. What I'm going to do, I'm going to compute stock returns from price data, adjusted price data actually. Anyway, that is fine. So to do that, I have to sorry, I have to use I have to actually start with the name of the data object, which is gg underscore d. So gg underscore d, then pipe operator. So so what I'm going to do on this, I'm going to arrange the data by date, because if it is already arranged by date, then that is fine, but sometimes it might not be arranged. So in that case, it is necessary that it is arranged by date, so that we later on when we derive the return, we exactly get it from to consecutive prices. Okay, so that is very important. So to get all the data arranged by the date, we can use this function. So arrange by what? By the date column. Okay, so if we have a look at the data, you can see that this is the date, and it is already arranged actually. It looks like that, but still we can use this function to make sure that all are really arranged by date. So after the arrangement is done, then again the pipe operator, and then what to do with the arranged data? We have to use the function called mutate. So mutate is a deployer function. Mutate will actually create a new variable. So our variable is actually return. So let us call the new variable ret, R-E-T, for return. Okay, so the return will be equals to okay, what we can do, we can actually use the some arithmetic operations for calculating the return, but the more appropriate way is to calculate the log return. So it will be essentially log adjusted. Adjusted means adjusted price, because the adjusted price is actually saved in the column titled adjusted. Okay, so log adjusted minus log of the previous adjusted price. So it is going to be minus log of the lag. Lag means the previous one. Okay, lag adjusted. So if you look at it carefully, the lag adjusted is bringing in the previous period price, adjusted price, and then log is calculating its log. So we are deducting this from the log of the current adjusted price, this period's adjusted price. So ultimately what it is doing, it is taking the log of current price, let's say today is one day within this database. So we are calculating the log of today's adjusted price and then deducting the log of the previous day adjusted price from it. This is how we can get the log return. Okay, this is how we can get the log return. So after that, when we have got the log return, then we have to really mention which things we want from here. Okay, which things we want from here. So for that purpose, I'm using another pipe operator and then asking to select. I don't want all the other columns to be here, like like the open, high, low, and all this thing. So I'm going to select only, let us have a look again before doing this. I just want the symbol, okay, I just want the date, and then I just want the newly created variable by mutate function, that is ret. So symbol, date, and ret. Okay, so select symbol, then date, then ret. Okay, so after that, sorry, so after that it should be done. By the way, we have not given any name, we have not assigned it to any name. So this is what we are going to do, gg underscore read. So that will be the name of our object, newly created object. Okay, so now control enter, and you can see that we have got a new object here. So if I click it, then I can see that we have the symbol, we have the date, and we have the log returns here. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the log return from here. That's all.